Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Windows build and backing up playlists so nothing is lost. Once done, close Media Player and stop the WMP service if running. This frees locked files. Then check for missing codecs by trying to open a known file and note the error. Next, open Control Panel to access optional Windows features and make sure Windows Media Player entries are visible. These steps prepare the system so repair actions can safely modify codecs, libraries, and service settings without corruption. Now you execute core repairs. Run DISM to restore the component store and follow with SFC to fix protected files. These restore damaged system files that WMP relies on. After that, rebuild the Windows Media Player library by deleting the current database file in the Media Player folder so the app recreates a clean database on next launch. If playback issues persist, remove third-party codec packs, reboot, and install only reputable codecs. This prevents conflicts. Make sure to restart the PC after each major step to apply changes. Finish by re-enabling Windows Media Player and Windows features, and using the built-in troubleshooter for playing audio to catch configuration problems automatically. Then test playback across MP3, WMA, and MP4 files so you see whether issues are format-specific, and review event viewer logs for service or codec errors. If problems remain, create a fresh user profile to rule out profile corruption, or perform an in-place Windows repair upgrade to restore system files without losing apps. Key troubleshooting tip: if playback fails, check Event Viewer for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.